Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your Power BI charts pop and stand out, while also making your data even easier to understand, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you step by step through how to add gorgeous gradient colors to your charts in Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a chart that looks modern and eye-catching, but you'll also know how to use color to highlight what's truly important in your data. Let's jump right in. First things first, select the chart you want to enhance. This could be a column chart, a bar chart, or even a heat map. Just click directly on the visual. It sounds simple, but selecting the correct chart is important so you don't accidentally apply beautiful new colors to the wrong one. If you're not sure which to pick, just think about the story you want your data to tell. Are you tracking sales over time, comparing targets, or showing hot spots of activity? Choose the visual that fits your message. Once you've got your chart selected, look over to the Format pane, that little paint roller icon on the right. Click on Data Colors and you'll see an FX button, which lets you apply conditional formatting. Give that a click. This is where the magic happens. Conditional formatting allows your chart's colors to change based on your data, creating those smooth, impressive gradients. A pop-up will appear, and in here you want to make sure Format by is set to Color Scale. This tells Power BI to smoothly vary the color of each bar, column, or cell according to its value. Next, under Based on Field, select the measure or value you want to visualize with color. You might choose something like actual sales or maybe percent to target, whatever will most clearly communicate insights in your visual. Remember, the field you pick here is what drives the color. For example, if you want to highlight performance, percent to target is a great choice because it shows progress using color intensity. Now it's time to pick your actual gradient colors, and this is where things get really fun. You'll notice three options: min, mid, and max. Let's say you want low values to stand out as red, medium values to transition through yellow, and high performers to shine in green. Click each color box and choose your shades. Setting your gradients thoughtfully helps viewers immediately spot highs and lows without having to read each number. Don't worry if it takes you a moment to pick the perfect hues. Sometimes testing a few combinations can make a big difference in readability. Once you're happy, click OK. Take a look, your chart now has a smooth, information-rich color gradient. It's not just for looks either. The gradient helps your audience see patterns and outliers at a glance, making your visuals both beautiful and functional. Now for a little extra wow factor. If you want even more control, try creating a DAX measure that returns hex codes. This gives you the power to set colors at precise thresholds. For example, maybe everything over 120% of target becomes a bold blue, or underperformers switch to deep orange. To keep your gradients consistent across all your visuals, you can import a theme.json file. This is especially handy in larger reports or dashboards, where consistency makes your work feel professional and polished. And if you want to experiment with vertical or super smooth fills, tools like Deneb or AppSource Gradient Visuals open up additional creative options. They're great if you're after something just a bit different or have a very specific visual style in mind. That's it. With just a few clicks, your Power BI visuals go from basic to stunning and insightful. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see a deep dive into any of these techniques. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.